In this video, I want to talk about how you can use MT5 for trading. Now, in case you don't know, if you want to trade forex, there are different kind of platform you can use. The one I basically use is MT5, so I'll be teaching us how to use MT5 on this video. First of all, you want to go to Play Store and download MT5 in case you don't have MT5 before. Just search for MT5 and it will pop up. Then you click it. But me, I haven't installed. Okay, I think I need to update it. I have it installed here already, so I'll wait for it to update. Yeah, that's done already. So the next thing you want to do is to visit MT5 the moment you download it. For those of you that don't have it, you will see it as install, just as you have this other one at the top here. That's how you see it on Play Store. So for me, I have it already. I'm just going to wait for the app to fully install. Alright, so you want to open your app. See, I already have this pending order here. So how to use MT5? What you want to do is to come to this interface here. This is the code. Yes, you see here, this code shows currency pairs and their price, the bid, the ask, the spread, and all of that. So this is your chart where you place your trade and do, make your money or lose your money as well. This is the trade. You can see I have a buy limit order here, and so on and so forth. And this is your history, where you see all your orders and whatever. This message, I don't really know what this is about. I haven't used it before. So now, but in this app, where you want to put your attention is year and year. Yes, although year is very important because through this point you can select the currency you want to trade. Let's see what I'm talking about. Right here you can see all these currencies. Yes, these are the currency pairs I trade. Although I majorly for forex I trade Euro USD, GBP JPY, and I also trade gold. Sometimes I trade GBP USD, but my major currencies are Euro USD and GBP JPY. So that's what you have there. Now for you, if you want to choose a currency pair, all you have to do is to come to quote, and you see this plus button. You touch it and you just tap the pair you want to trade. Let's say I want to add card JPY to what I trade. I'll do card JPY. Then I'll click it. It's done. If you touch it, it's out. So right now, if I go to my chart, I'll be able to see this pair. So that's it basically. So let's see if I can see the pair. You can see now I have card JPY here. So that's for that. Now let's learn how to place a trade. But I'm not going to be using this because this is real account. So I'll switch to a demo account. To switch account, maybe you are here, you want to go to maybe another account. You just have to click this three icon bar, then click on the account you are manage account, then choose the one you want to use for your demo or for whatever. So I'll be using this one. Then you sign in. That's all. So in my next video, I'll teach you how you can link your broker to your MT5. Yes, and if you want a broker, the broker I can recommend for you are just two. I majorly use those two. I use Okta and I also use Exness. These are the two brokers I use. They are good and they are reliable. So now what you want to do is to enter this chart. You can see this is my demo money. So you want to place your trade right now. This is how you place trade. There are two ways you can do this. on MT5. But before you place any trade, I want you to understand something. There are what we call limit order, market order, and stop order when it comes to placing trade in forex trading. A limit order is when you are setting a target at a given point, the same as stop order. Then market order is where you are just simply placing the trade. Like MT5 does do something for you. You see this place, once you click on buy, it starts buying. If the market is heading down, you are losing your money. If it's going up, you are making your money. Once you click on sell, the same thing starts selling. So that's it. But the one I want to talk about is the limit order and the stop order. So for that, you click this blue and red icon. You see we have buy limit. We have buy limit 0.02. That's the lot size. And I also teach you how you can change the lot size. So now this is it. We have a buy limit. Let's say I want to buy and I'm waiting for price to come down to this point before it put me in for the buy. That's where you use buy limit. So you put your stop loss below and you put your take profit above. Now for stop loss and take profit and entry, you want to analyze your market on TradingView. That's where I do my analysis. So now the moment you do this, if you want to change your lot size, you can just click here and maybe use the lot size you want to use. Let's say you want to use a standard lot. So that's so that you want to use any lot size of your choice. Let's say a standard lot. So that's basically how it works. But for me, I want to put it on 0.02. So now that's for that. Okay, so now for the other one, we have a sell limit. A sell limit is actually as the same as a buy limit, but it's just for the opposite direction. Right now we expect the market to buy to this point where we have our entry before it starts coming down. For that word SL, it means stop loss. TP means take profit. That's to say, this TP is where you are targeting to leave the market once you are running profit, and this SL is where you are targeting to leave the market if the market is going against you. So that's it. Please, when doing this, you need to apply proper risk management. Okay, so that's for that. That's basically for that. Then the other one we have is the sell stop and the buy stop orders. Now for a sell stop order, or let's talk about the buy stop order, you can see a buy stop order is when you are placing your buy order above the current price, expecting that when price get to your entry, it continues going upward. You understand? Then for a sell stop order, it is the same, just the opposite. You are expecting the price to come down to your entry. Your entry is below the current price. You are expecting price to come down to your entry before you take a sell. It triggers you and continue going down before you take a sell. So this is how it works actually. And when you are already in a trade, this is where you check how much you are losing or how much you are making. Yes, it shows around this region. If you are losing your money, you see it on red. If you are making money, you see it on blue. So that's basically how MT5 works. So thank you guys. You see you in my next video. I'll be talking about how you can link your MT5 and your broker together. And my recommended broker for you is Exness or OctaFX. These are the two main brokers I use.